Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, the snow from this morning ranging anywhere from 1 inch to some isolated 4-inch amounts in the northern part of the state. Weather spotters have been checking in. Jim Morrow, North Smithfield, 3 inches. Caitlin Rice in Warwick, only an inch of slush. And Chris in Johnston, about an inch and a half. And Gina in Weston Coventry had heavy snow about just 20 minutes ago. And now it's light again. But there is another batch to be working in very shortly. Some areas right now reporting drizzle and some light snow showers. We go to weather headlines with one more band of snow to come through. The timing roughly now until about 9 o'clock in the evening, and looking for some small additional accumulations on top of what came down this morning. Take a look at live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar, and one band of heavy snow now lifting to the north of Boston into New Hampshire, and at the same time in central Connecticut and Hartford, second band that's starting to come through, and this is what we're anticipating to come through this evening with some additional snow. Getting reports from weather spotters, Melissa and Niantic, with some wet snow across coastal Connecticut, and that little band of snow that came through Western Coventry that Gina was reporting is right over there, and this will only increase in coverage over the next several hours. What has fallen so far, again, anywhere from an inch to almost 4 inches of snow. Burrowville 3, Foster 2.5, Hope at 2, Taunton inch. I know the airport in Warwick picked up an inch, and Westport with an inch of slush. So what to expect for tonight? Well, the temperatures will be falling below freezing, so naturally untreated surfaces get slippery again. The wind will be picking up later on this evening and during the overnight as well. Downtown Providence, it's been kind of a mist and some flurries right now, though I do expect some steadier snow to be coming in very shortly. 35 degrees, so above freezing. So initially when it starts, at least in Providence, it melts on the pavement, but then once the temperature falls below freezing, it starts to stick. North breeze at 12, humidity now at 85%. Here's the freezing line right in here. So below freezing to our north and west, above freezing elsewhere, and these temperatures will drop below 32. And again, untreated surfaces get a little slippery. Area of low pressure storm center now south of New England. It will pull away, but notice on the back side what we call backlash, precipitation behind the storm system, and that's that second batch of snow that has to come through. So we're talking about an additional 1 to 2 inches of snow on top of what we had already for this evening. So again, just exercise some caution. At times the visibility will be reduced as temperatures drop off in the lower 30s. And then overnight tonight, it's pretty much over. Maybe a leftover flurry at midnight, drying out by 5 o'clock in the morning. Skies have already broken apart, leading to some sunshine for tomorrow morning. 6 a.m. 28, by 11 o'clock in the morning, sunny at 33. And a decent afternoon. It'll be windy and cool, but at least we've got some sunshine here by 2 o'clock in the afternoon, looking at 35. Here it is in more detail for your Wednesday afternoon. A much better day with a blend of clouds and sunshine, breezy, cool and dry. Temperatures ranging from the mid-30s in our northern suburbs to the upper 30s along the south shore, with a west wind at 15 to 25, so it will be blustery. All right, let's check out the 7-day Futurecast, and it shows really the rest of the week as being quiet. Thursday, partly sunny, 38. Some extra clouds on Friday, up to 40, and right now the weekend is looking okay. Daytime highs in the upper 30s and nighttime temperatures in the mid-20s. This time around, with the snow coming through this evening and temperatures falling off, it won't take long for it to stick to the pavement. So if you're traveling later on this evening, just common sense stuff. Go easy on the gas pedal.
Be careful.
All right. Thanks, Tony.